Post-SEMA has been extremely crazy, guys. We are super booked right now. Thank you guys for all the blessings and support. Everything you guys have been doing for us, dropping off your vehicles, ordering parts means a lot to us. But I got something special right behind me that I want to walk you guys with me on to introduce our first ever Mach 1 Mustang dropped off here all the way from Calabasas. So let's go over this beautiful car, show you guys what we're gonna do, and go over all the details, what the Mach 1 offers versus a regular 5.0 or an EcoBoost or a GT500. Why the Mach 1 is so important. Let's get into that. If you guys don't know, Mustang hoods are really big and they're very heavy. Woo! My favorite thing about this beautiful setup is when you open up the hood, you see this amazing engine with this beautiful intake. But what stands out for me is the step bar right in the front right here that says badged Mach 1. It's all about the details. You can have all the power, but you gotta have those fine details that's gonna make a car really pop. Super aggressive. Let's put this hood down because it's super heavy. We definitely wanna get them a carbon fiber hood so we can do all the weight reduction to give them better performance. All right, guys, another thing that I see that really stood out to me in this beautiful Mach 1, that's not something that we're adding to the build, but it comes from the factory when you purchase it as well, this beautiful Ford Performance factory wheels. They really kill it with this awesome design, giving it somewhat of a Z28 kind of look, but some really cool, sharp, very eye-catching lines that makes this wheel really aggressive. I think this copper caliper brake that they have, or some sort of orange that contrasts with this dark gray matte metallic finish, is a really good contrast to give it with the brake, the Bremos, and the wheels that it's got. And you can't miss it out, Ford Performance center cap, really awesome. Super excited. But the wheels, what do you guys think? Michelin Pilot Sport 4S with these awesome wheels. Would you guys rock those on your 5.0s? All right, guys, looking at the whole entire car, there's about two themes going on. You know, you got the OEM factory paint with some black and orange stripes to contrast it. It kind of reminds me of the Hot Wheel Edition Camaro. Not as good as beautiful as paint job as this one. This is my favorite paint, the Nardo Gray OEM factory Mach 1. It only comes in Mach 1, that's why it's a special vehicle. The Mach 1 is pretty much the Z28 collector version of the Gen 5 Camaros, and it gets transferred to what it says, obviously Mach 1 for the Ford Mustang community. It's something really special, very aggressive. There's plenty of wrap materials that we offer in this color, but to get in a paint job even says a lot more when it comes to the quality. It contrasts really well, and if you guys haven't guessed yet, carbon fiber is gonna be the mods that we're gonna be adding and contrasting with this beautiful Nardo Gray right behind me. What are the carbon fiber mods? Well, let's go ahead and open up some packages for you guys and show you what we're gonna be transforming from the OEM to carbon fiber. So the front bumper is definitely missing some nice contrast luxury looks that it deserves. If you guys haven't guessed what this item right with me right here, it is the fog light bezel that will be going on both driver and passenger side. We do have to remove the entire bumper to make sure we give quality flush finish for our client, meaning we have to remove the bumper, remove the bezel, take out everything that's attached with the bezel and replace it and put it with this aftermarket carbon fiber component. This is an actual replacement. It's not an add-on, it's not a stick-on. We completely stay away from these things to make sure we're ensuring quality carbon fiber components and longevity quality lasting carbon fiber parts. All right, guys, my favorite part right here, which is gonna really spice that front bumper, guys, especially removing that upper grille. It does have the inner cooling bezels on the top, which is gonna be all full carbon fiber, and the entire thing is gonna be carbon fiber. The cool thing about this, when you guys see the detail on this upper grille, we're gonna be removing this entire kit right here, guys, and we're gonna delete this factory metallic gray, and it's gonna be carbon fiber. That's the cool thing why I love it, because you'll get two in one piece. These are riveted to this plastic piece, which makes it a two piece. With this component right here, we're gonna replace everything. It's gonna be a bow tie delete. Oh, it's gonna be a Mustang pony delete, but we're gonna get a full carbon fiber effect, just giving this Mach 1 the true aggressive look that it deserves. And it's gonna be very sinister. Beautiful Mach 1, beautiful interior, guys. What more you wanna see? Well, you guys stay tuned. Let's get started on this beautiful carbon fiber upgrades and get you guys on this beautiful ride. guys, so thank you so much. The Mach 1 came out so aggressive and amazing. The customer loved A to Z, the whole process from the front to the back and everything that we added for carbon fiber. Now, what do we got going on? Well, guess what? We have another Mustang just dropped off. It's actual GT500. Let's go ahead and show you guys the highlights outside. He's doing the carbon fiber fenders. We're gonna have to paint match it to the vehicle. Without further ado, let's dive into highlights and get started from there. Hope you guys like the highlights. If you guys are interested in your Mach 1 carbon fiber parts, well, you know, contact us at autoaddictusa or send us an email at sales@autoaddictusa.com. I appreciate you guys' support, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.